Are you trying to get better at something? Are you trying to achieve some goals? Are you banging your head against the wall, trying the same thing over and over again, and you keep hitting a roadblock? Well, in this video, we're going to use ChatGPT to to analyze leading versus lagging indicators, and see if we can look back through all of the leading indicators of our goal activity. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about right here, and I'm going to say, and the activity we're going to do is I want to win a bike race. I want to win a bike race. What are some of the, do we get back over? Yeah. The leading indicators. So the way the leading indicators and lagging indicators work is that your success in bike racing is the lagging indicator of being a good cyclist or whatever it might be. But the leading indicators are your physical fitness, training volume, technical skills, and mental preparation. So each one of these things we can analyze from here. I think that if we went with, so tactics, mental prep, physical fitness, okay. So now we could say, I want to become a stronger cyclist to win bike races. What are some of the leading indicators of cycling performance? Okay, so these are some of the leading indicators of cycling. Becoming a stronger cyclist, improving your cycling performance, focus on, so power output is one, measured by watts, aerobic capacity, cadence, and body composition and endurance. Technique. So body composition, cadence, so we have to pick one of these. Right. Ideally, you want to write all 6 of these down and then explore backwards through each one. We'll just go with the first one since they listed it for the first, probably for a reason. So tell me some leading indicators of power output. Power key indicator in cycling performance, that's probably why they mentioned it first. So training volume, training intensity, pedal stroke efficiency, muscular strength, body weight, equipment, lighter or stiffer or more. Okay, so I could say, what are some leading indicators of training volume? Okay, so if you want to up your training volume, you got to spend more time, you got to cover more distance, and it's got to be more intense and more frequent. And then have periodization with overtraining and recovery and cross-training. So I could say, what are some leading indicators of time? Well, I think that we've more or less covered the aspects of performance. Spending time on the bike, going long distance, having the proper intensity, frequency, periodization. Maybe we can go back one more on intensity. What is a leading indicator for intensity? Is the critical factor heart rate, power output, perceived exertion, breathing rate? See, there's a good one. Right, so this is it right here, breathing rate. You know, it's something I've noticed. So breathing rate is a serious lagging indicator of your power output, because you get out of breath as you do the exercise. So something I started training and doing and seeing fantastic results is I started optimizing my breathing rate before I even got out of breath. So I'd start an interval, going a certain space. I would breathe as if I was already out of breath. I would optimize my breathing rate rather than the actual power output. and then the power follows. So that's one way. So this is how you can achieve your goals in cycling or anywhere by analyzing the leading and lagging indicators and working backwards from the problem. So thank you for watching and have a great day.